Do you want to start a YouTube channel without ever showing your face? It's a lot easier than you think. So stick around and I'll show you how to launch a faceless channel that can generate passive income. What's going on? It's Marcus Naves again. And after losing my job, I was desperate to find a way to provide for my family. Starting a YouTube channel without being on camera seemed impossible. But now I'm here to show you it's not only possible, but it's profitable too. If I could do it with no prior experience, then so can you. Why faceless channels work. Content over personality. Millions of viewers care about the value of the content, not the person who's presenting it. Then there's privacy. Perfect for those who are camera shy and who want to maintain and be anonymous. Next, there's scalability. Easier to replicate success across multiple niches and channels without being tied to your personal brand. Here's the step-by-step process to help you get started today. Number 1, pick a niche. Choose a topic you're interested in and one that's proven to be profitable. Some examples include tech reviews of gadgets, software, and accessories. Next, you have personal finance, tips on saving, investing, and making money. Next, you'll have lifestyle tips, minimalism, productivity, or health advice. Number 2, creative plan. Define who your target audience is. Set goals for the video frequency and quality. Outline 10 to 20 video ideas to build a content pipeline. Number 3, build your team. Hire freelancers for script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnails. Use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr or other online communities to find these individuals. Start small and scale as your channel grows. When I started my first faceless channel, I had no clue what I was doing. I made a lot of mistakes, like trying to do everything myself. But once I outsourced key tasks, I saw my channel grow a lot faster than I ever imagined. It was a learning curve, but every step was worth it. Here are 3 actionable steps that you can do right away to help you get going. Number 1, write down 10 video ideas in your chosen niche. Number 2, research competitors to analyze what works and what doesn't. Number 3, start building a small team by hiring freelancers for tasks you struggle with or you don't like. Ready to make that leap? In the next video, we'll talk about the cost of YouTube automation and how to budget for your success. Click here to learn more, and if you're enjoying these tips, hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable advice. Remember, it's time to be the reason for your own success. I'll see you on the next one.